We're going to go green flag out of turn 4. Callahan and Martin going to lead the way. Caution flag going to come out. Old Sparky's already got him lighting up back there in that 22 machine. Sparky Martin going to lead him to green out of turn 4 with Greg Callahan Jr. Green flag is out. We're underway in the Sport Mod feature. Much better start that time. Martin going to lead the way on the high side. Callahan going to get a whole handful of steering wheel and shove up the racetrack in turn 2. It's going to lose 4 spots, put Callahan back into the 5th spot. Connor New working at high side, looking to run a top 5. First best finish for that C10 machine this year. The 32 of Tucker Adams already up into the 3rd spot. Wes Hendrickson in the 4th spot. Martin going to lead the way as we come to complete lap number 2. Connor New still in that 2nd spot. Tucker Adams in the 3rd spot. Wes Hendrickson 4th. Hendrickson now under attack from Hunter New in the 10 machine. Greg Callahan having trouble with that 49 machine as it shoves up the racetrack again on him. Leading the way down the back straightaway is still Harley Martin. Down into turn 3 and 4. Caution flag going to come out for Greg Callahan Jr. A green flag out of turn number 4. Harley Martin going to lead him to green. He fires on the loud pedal right in turn number 3. Here comes Tucker Adams to the inside of Connor New. Connor going to work that outside line. Tucker Adams looks to the inside. 2nd spot going to go to Connor New. Tucker Adams finds himself in the New sandwiches. Hunter New right there in that 4th spot. Kirby Settle still fighting that 9 machine as he's going to go off the track back in the back of the pack, but get her going back straight. Leading the way down to lap number 5 is still going to be Harley Martin. Greg Callahan Jr. going to lose the hand on it, but we're going to stay green flag. That'll keep him safe because that would have sent him to the trailer. Come around to complete lap number 6. Harley Martin still leading the way. Kirby Settle going to lose the handle down in turn number 2, and caution flag going to come out once again here in the Sport Mods. '14 crew over there going to work on the number 14 of Wes Hendrickson. He's got one more courtesy lap. Martin going to lead the way. He's on the loud pedal. Tucker Adams has worked his way into that 2nd spot in the 32T. Greg Callahan Jr. still fighting the push in the 49 machine as he's going to shove up the racetrack. That's going to give the 4th spot to Hunter New. Got a pair of brothers running 3-4 as Connor looks to the inside of Tucker Adams. Can't make the pass. Callahan going to lose the hand on it. He's going to try to keep her going because the caution comes out. He's going on the trailer anyway. Connor New still to the inside of Tucker Adams. Adams going to get super sideways. They're going to drag race down the back straightaway. Give the advantage to Connor New going into turn 3. Out of 4 to the flag stand. Give the 2nd spot to Connor New. Out front and pulling away is Harley Martin in that 22 machine. Tucker Adams now finds himself in a new sandwich. Connor in the 2nd spot. Around for the final time will go the 49 machine of Greg Callahan Jr. Be the second unassisted caution on the 49 machine. Laps in the books, 10 laps left to go. We're going to go green flag out of turn number 4. Harley Martin leading the way. That second row is still Connor New and Tucker Adams putting on a war for that second spot. Here comes Wes Hendrickson in the 14 machine. Tucker Adams going to take the second spot from Connor New. Connor going to fight back on the inside now as they go into 3 and 4. Cross flags are out. We're halfway home here in the Sport Mods. Harley Martin out to a 1.2 second lead that last time by, looking to stretch it out even more as they come around to complete lap number 10. Out to a 1.7 second lead over Tucker Adams as Connor New fights to the outside. Connor New looking for his best finish in that C10 machine. Wes Hendrickson looking for his first podium, trying to get into that third spot. Connor New looking to the inside one more time of Tucker Adams. Tucker Adams going to slam the door shut. Down in 3 and 4. They're going to make contact, and they're going to stay side by side at the start-finish line. New looking to the inside more time. Tucker going to slam the door in 1 and 2. Meanwhile, out front and run away out to a 3-second lead is Harley Martin. Just 5 laps left to go here in the Sport Mod feature as he comes up on the 9 of Kirby Settle. Settle going to move up onto the high line and give the 22 the lane. They're going to stay side by side for that second spot. Connor New looking to cross over the 32 down the front straightaway. He's going to get to the inside. He pulls the trigger. Contact between the 10 and the 32. Caution flag going to come out down in turn number 2. Connor New had the run. The 32 tried to slam the door shut, and he was not having it. Green flag out of turn 4. They'll go single foul with just 4 laps left to go. Harley Martin, old Sparky's got him lit up, and he's going hard on the gas out of turn 4. Connor New going to be in the second spot. Third spot is going to be Wes Hendrickson. Hendrickson trying to get his first podium of the year in the 14 machine. Two laps left to go for Harley Martin as he tries to hang on. The C10 of Connor New in the second spot. Wes Hendrickson in the 14.
Go ahead and load the second one. They're going to make it open again.
White flag is out one more time around for Harley Martin. Into 3 and 4 for the final time. Checkered flag is out. Harley Martin's going to pick up one more feature win here at the Beckley Motor Speedway. Second spot will go to Connor New. Third spot to Wes Hendrickson, and Kirby Settle will come home in your fourth and final spot. Well, it's now time for the sprint cars and the Cowboy Classic. I'm going to hand it back over to Evan. You got a fun one to call here, my man. Have at her.
Let's go for it. We have 24 cars set for 30 laps to compete for $4,000 in the first annual Cowboy Classic in memory of our good old friend, Sean Vardell.